Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mutiara Kartika Octaviani and my studio ID number is 2110118220030. I'm from group 10. Here I will presentation for the 10 meeting. For the first, about vocabulary. Number 1, supplementary angle. Meaning in Indonesian language is suplemen sudut atau sudut berpelurus. English definition, an angle that, when added to another reference angle, produce an angle of 180 degrees. Example, angle A is 40 degree and its complementary angle B is 140 degree. Number 2, complementary angle. Meaning is sudut complement. English definition, an angle that, when added to another reference angle, produce a right angle. Example, angle A is 40 degree and its complementary angle B is 50 degree. Number 3, interior angle. Meaning is sudut dalam. English definition, the inner angle between two sides of a polygon. Example, the interior angles of a triangle add up to 180 degree. Number 4, exterior angle. Meaning is sudut luar. English definition, the supplement of an interior angle of a polygon. Number 5, opposite angles. Meaning is sudut yang bertolak belakang. English definition, either of the angles directly opposite to each other when two lines intersect in a plane. Example, if two lines intersect and make an angle, say x equals 94 degree, then its opposite angle is also equal to 94 degree. Number 6, corresponding angles. Meaning is sudut bersesuaian. English definition, to equal angles on the same side of a line that cross two parallel lines and on the same side of each parallel line. Example and the picture. Number 7, alternate angles. Meaning is sudut berseberangan. English definition, alternate angles are angles that occur on opposite sides of the transversal line and have the same size. Number 8, alternate exterior angles. Meaning is sudut luar berseberangan. English definition, alternate exterior angles are a pair of angles on the other side of each of those two lines but on opposite sides of the transversal. Example, a pair of alternate exterior angles have equal measures, so angles M3 equals 110 degree equals to N angles 2 equals 110 angles. Number 9, size of the angles. Meaning is ukuran sudut. English definition, an angle is a fraction of a circle where the whole circle is 36 degree. You measure the size of an angle with a protractor. Example, the size of right angle is 90 degree. And the last, number 10, quadrangle. Meaning is segi empat. English definition, a flat shape with 4 straight sides. Example, squares and rectangles are forms of quadrangles. B, video word problem. About sum of interior of a polygon. We know that A plus B plus C equals 180 degree. What about polygons that have more than 3 sides? Polygon with 4 sides. A plus B plus C equals 180 degree and X plus Y plus Z equals 180 degree. Then the sum of the measure of all the interior angles can be calculated. A plus B plus C plus X plus Y plus Z equals 180 plus 180 equals 360 degree. polygon with 5 sides. Triangles can be formed in this 5 sides polygon. Then calculate 3 multiplied or 3 times 180 degree equals 540 degree. Polygon with 6 sides and polygon with 10 sides. 4 sides used to form 2 triangles. The other 6 sides are used to form 6 triangles. Then the total triangle form is 2 plus 6 equals 8. So 2 triangles equals 2 plus open bracket s minus 4 close bracket equals s minus 2. So to find the sum of the interior angles, that is open bracket s minus 2 close bracket times 180 degree. Problems example. If a polygon has 102 sides, what is the sum of the angles? And the answer, s equals 102 sides. So open bracket s minus 2 close bracket times 180 degree equals open bracket 102 minus 2 close bracket times 180 degree equals 100 times 180 degree equals 80,000 degree. C. Chapter 4. Example 6, 7, 8, and 9. Example 6. 30 feet ladder against the sides of a building and reaches the flat roof. If the ladder stands at a point 10 feet from the house, how tall is the house? And the solution, we know one leg and the hypotenuse. If we let h be the height of the building, we have the equation h squared plus h square plus 10 square equals 13 square. And h square plus 100 equals 900. H square equals 800. And h equals akar quadrat square 800 equals 28.28. So the height of the building to the nearest foot is 28 feet. Example 7. The sides of a triangle are 15, 15, and 18. What is the length of the attitude to the non-congruent sides? And the solution, the attitude creates two congruent right triangles and hence it bisects the side. The following diagram indicates that we are looking for a leg of a right triangle whose other leg is 9 and whose hypotenuse is 15. A multiple of the 3:4:5. Triple is 9:12:15. There is no other possibility for the leg but 12. We can also solve the problem algebraically to be convinced of this. Let h be the length of the altitude, therefore h square plus 9 square equals 15 square. So h square plus 18 equals 225. So h square equals 144. H equals 12. The Pythagorean theorem shows up in other figures where right triangles are formed. Look for this when dropping altitudes or working with perpendicular lines. And example 8. The parallel sides of an isosceles are 8 and 18 units. If the area of the trapezoid is 156 square units, How long are the non-parallel sides? And solution, given parallel sides equals 8 and 18, and the area equals 156 meters square. To get the value of h, use the formula for the area of a trapezoid. Area equals half times open bracket base 1 plus base 2 close bracket times h. 156 equals a half times open bracket 8 plus 18 close bracket times h. 156 equals a half times 26 times h. So 156 equals 13h, and h equals 156 per divided by 13, and h equals 12. Use Pythagoras to find the hypotenuse. A equals 5 and b equals 12. So c equals akar kuadratil 5 square plus 12 square equals 25 plus 144 and equals 169. So c equals 13. Such each non-parallel sides of the trapezoid is a hypotenuse of the right triangle. So the non-parallel sides is 13. The last example 9. A floor pattern requires tiles that are in the shape of a rhombus. The manufacturer makes the file according to the length of the diagonals. How long is each side of the tile if the diagonals are 10 and 16 inch? And the solution, given diagonal 1 equals 10, diagonal 2 equals 16. Since a rhombus is a parallelogram, the diagonal bisect each other, letting S represent the sides of the rhombus. So S square equals 5 square plus 8 square. So S square equals 25 plus 16 4. And S square equals 89, and S equals 9.43. So long is each side of the tile if the diagonals are 10 and 16 inch is 9.43. And thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.